Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Narginda and I am a third semester student from the information system in Masum University. Today, I will be completing my English midterm exam by reviewing the movie titled Jumper. Let's dive right to the plot. The movie begins by introducing David Reyes, a 15 years old teenager. On his way home from school, David gives a snow globe to his childhood friend and crush, Millie Harris, a student named Mark, who often bullies David, takes the snow globe and throws it onto a frozen river. When David steps onto the dangerous ice to retrieve the globe, the ice breaks and he falls in. Suddenly, David unexpectedly teleports to a local library. This event shocks and confuses him. He returns home and confronts his abusive, alcoholic father. David locks himself in his room. When his father tries to break down the door, David instinctively jumps teleport to another location. Discovering his special ability, David decides to leave his father and live in an apartment. Lacking money, he used his ability to teleport into bank vaults and steal money, a routine he repeats many times. Sometime later, the bank releases a significant amount of money is missing. A man named Roland appears to hunt down the perpetrator. 8 years later, David is living a luxurious life with the stolen money. Meanwhile, Roland is revealed to be the leader of the Paladins, a fanatic and religious secret society sworn to track down and kill Jumper's teleport. Roland successfully tracks and confronts David in his luxurious apartment. Attempting to capture him, David is briefly incapacitated by Roland's high-voltage electric weapon but manages to escape. David returns to his old city and finds Millie, who is now working at a bar. At the bar, Mark, now an alcoholic, tries to bully David again. A fight ensues, during which David teleports Mark into a bank vault and leaves him there. David then takes Millie to Roma, her dream destination, while keeping his ability a secret. Roland later finds Mark, who is being detained by the police, and extracts information about David. In Roma, David meets Griffin, another jumper who has been watching him. They are attacked by Paladin members, whom Griffin kills before jumping away. David follows him to Griffin hideout, a cave, but Griffin scolds him and tells him to leave. David is later detained by Italian police for questioning regarding the death of the two paladins. While Millie is waiting alone, David's mother, Mary Maxwell, suddenly appears and helps him escape. Mary urges David to leave Roma immediately. David takes Millie away, but she is angry because he is hiding something. David refuses to reveal his secret and takes Millie to the airport to fly home alone. David meets Griffin again. Griffin reveals that his parents were killed by Roland when he was a child, and he plans to take revenge. Griffin warns that the paladin find jumpers by killing everyone they love. David jumps home and finds his father passed out, taking him to the hospital. David then seeks out Mark in prison and beats him for giving information to Roland. David returns to Griffin for help, and Griffin eventually agrees. David jumps to Millie's apartment to protect her, knowing Roland will target her. When Roland arrives, David is forced to reveal his secret and takes Millie to Griffin's location for safety. Roland and his team break into Millie's apartment and attack Griffin hideout. There, David is shocked to see his mother, Mary, on a list of Paladin members. Roland traps David, but Griffin intervenes, attacks Roland, and jumps with him back to Millie's apartment. Millie is then followed by Roland, through the jump scare back to her apartment. Griffin plans to bomb the apartment, but David objects, fearing for Millie's safety. David and Griffin fight, jumping to several locations until David manages to trap Griffin on an electrical pylon. David jumps to Millie's apartment, where Roland immediately traps him with numerous electric cables attached to the wall. Followed by extreme anger, David unleashes his full ability. He teleports Millie and entire apartment room into a river and then moves it to the library. In the library, David takes Roland to a remote, high-altitude cave and leaves him there. David successfully finds his mother's house, Mary Maxwell. He is greeted by Sophie, who is revealed to be David's half-sister, Mary's daughter. Mary explained that she is a paladin and was faced with two choices: to kill David or leave him after he made his first jump at age 5. David now understands the reason for his mother's departure and leaves, allowing her to be happy with her new family. Outside the house, Millie is waiting for David. David jumps with her to another place, and the movie ends. That concludes my review of the movie Jumper. Thank you.